Welcome to this Sysrev Quick Start tutorial. In this video, we'll cover how to create a new project. When you log into your account, you will see a list of featured projects on the right-hand side and any projects you have created on the left. To create a new project, click the New button at the top of your projects list. First, provide a project name. Note that project names can only contain letters, numbers, and hyphens. No spaces or special characters are allowed. Next, choose whether you want your project to be public or private. While both basic and premium accounts allow you to create an unlimited number of projects, creating a private project is limited to premium and enterprise accounts. Finally, click Create Project. Sysrev projects can also adapt to changes in your project scope. For whatever reason, if you ever need to change the name or visibility of a project, you can change these within the project settings. Now you're ready to start adding documents to your project. To learn more, check out our other Quick Start tutorials or see our detailed guides at help.sysrev.com.